Hello, everyone. My name is Ellie Bankston, and I'm the program coordinator for the Health Science Magnet program at Osseo Senior High. The Health Science program uses a variety of experiences to prepare students for a potential career in health science or medicine. We build essential patient care skills through hands-on learning experiences and offer opportunities for students to build relationships with professionals in the medical industry. We provide options for students to earn credit in designated colleges, which saves time and money, and we help students build a resume that will set them apart when applying to medical programs. Here you'll see the variety of courses that are offered through our program at Osseo Senior High. Highlighted at the top under the science courses, I wanted to point out that the 9th grade science class is Physics First. Here at Osseo, we offer a Health Science Physics First option as well. This will cover the same content as a general Physics First class with more of a medical lens for labs and notes. We also offer a wide variety of elective options for our students to create their career pathways. Students who are interested in enrolling at Osseo Senior High through the Magnet program must submit an application to Northwest Suburban Integration School District. Our priority applications are being accepted through December 31st, and the website to apply is listed here. If you have any questions, please utilize the email at the bottom of this page to reach out. I'd love to connect and help.